No other country comes as close as China in the construction sector. This distinction is not due to the quality of the construction, but to the speed and efficiency with which they build large structures that would take much longer in the other countries. China is the emerging global leader, particularly in bridge construction, and they are here to stay. What contributions are they making to the construction sector as a whole? And what can other countries learn from them? Recently, China completed the construction of an exclusive venue for the newly launched VCT Xi'an League near the Huangpu River in Shanghai, and it caused a ruckus on the internet. The reason is the very short amount of time they took to construct it. Shockingly, the venue was built in 50 working days. What is this superhuman ability that China seems to have in the construction sector? If this is how fast they can construct a gaming venue, can you imagine how fast they can build bridges? China has the ability to complete large-scale projects with incredible speed, and this has truly had a huge impact on a global scale. Expanding and upgrading infrastructure and showing off their expertise in the specific area has always been the main driving force behind economic and social development. Other countries might often make fun of their quality when it comes to construction materials, but you cannot deny the fact that China is still recognized as a world leader in both quality and quantity of modern bridges. It can come as a shock, but did you know that China has constructed over 900,000 plus highway bridges and about 40,000 kilometers of high-speed railways? What's more terrifying is that these bridges have been built on dangerous and challenging terrains like mountains and rivers, which connect many remote towns and villages, making transport easier and efficient. This very feat has made China well known as a superpower in bridge construction. If you do a little research on Chinese bridges, you can see that China absolutely loves building large bridges. Why is that? Out of all the reasons, one reason why China loves big bridges would be infrastructure development and economic growth strategy. Massive government funding allows for ambitious projects and rapid construction timelines. But that's not all. Chinese engineers aim for the sky when they think of bridges. They want to create an engineering marvel, a marvel that the whole world would gawk at after its construction is complete. These Chinese engineers possess advanced expertise and jaw-dropping technologies and innovative engineering solutions. All of these help in overcoming complex challenges in bridge construction. Known for their high speed in construction, Chinese construction firms use advanced construction techniques, prefabrication, and modular construction methods. All of these help to accelerate project timelines. Modern Chinese engineers have achieved remarkable milestones, with Rainbow Bridge projects constructing structures nearly 600 meters long at Godspeed. Looking to the future, there's even a plan to launch a massive Rainbow Bridge project with an outstanding span over 1,000 meters to be completed in a very short span of time. Look at Shanghai for inspiration. This futuristic city is an engineering marvel. But did you know that about 30 years ago, there were only a few high-rise buildings? You wouldn't recognize the city if you went back in time. That's how developed it is right now. To promote urban development and meet the travel needs of its growing population, building a bridge across the Huangpu River was essential, especially since the riverbanks are nearly 400 meters apart. At that time, China had never constructed a bridge with such a large span. The construction of the Huangpu Bridge became a very important project, which not only fulfilled an age-old wish of over 10 million people, but also realized the dream of Shanghai's bridge engineers. This project set off a chain reaction of development projects that came about in the next 30 years. It was in 1991 that China turned heads all around the world when the Nanpu Bridge was officially inaugurated, with a budget only half that of similar projects abroad. This was a major turning point in China's bridge construction industry. This was how the world came to know that China could independently build large span bridges and started considering them as a major competition. So far, 2024 has been a great year in China for bridge construction, and it is picking up pace this year. Numerous technologically advanced bridges, crossing rivers, lakes, seas, valleys, and canyons are playing a crucial role in boosting the country's economic and social development. China is trying hard to build a transport network that matches its vision. On April 28th, the Lingdingyang Bridge, part of the Shenzhen-Zhongshan link in Guangdong Province, saw its final segments joined. This impressive 2,826-meter bridge has a main span of 1,666 meters and a main tower height of 270 meters, making it the world's longest span steel box girder suspension bridge over the ocean and the highest sea bridge. In another province called Jiangsu, the Zhangjiagang-Jingjiang-Rugao Yangtze River Bridge is currently under construction. Stretching 7,859 meters long, with its main section across Yangtze River measuring 2,300 meters, this bridge will connect Suzhou, Taizhou, and Nantong cities. It features the longest suspension bridge span in the world. Now, if we go further upstream in Hubei Province, the Yanji Yangtze River Bridge, the world's largest double-deck suspension bridge is being built. Did you know that the foundation of the bridge towers on both sides is complete, and construction of the towers is expected to finish soon? In yet another autonomous region called Guangxi Zhuang, the Tianhe Longtan Bridge, located about 6 kilometers upstream of the Longtan hydropower station, is set to open to traffic at the very end of this year. With a main span of 600 meters, it will be the world's longest spanning arch bridge upon completion. Believe it or not, these record-breaking structures will be remembered in the history of bridge construction and highlight China's engineering expertise. According to China's Ministry of Transport, China is home to 8 of the top 10 largest suspension bridges in the world, 5 of which are currently under construction. The country also has 9 of the 10 longest cable-stayed bridges, with 4 still being built. Additionally, 8 of the world's 10 longest arch bridges are in China, and 2 are under construction. After years of learning and innovation, China now possesses the technology and domestically produced equipment needed to design and build bridges in mountains, overseas, and across cities. An official with the Ministry of Transport noted that China leads the world in the scale and technical level of bridge construction. The nation's achievements in mega-bridge projects stem from continuous breakthroughs in bridge construction technologies. Chinese road bridges benefit from standardized design, industrialized manufacturing, modular construction, and informationized control, which enhance their durability and service life. Today, intelligent technologies are applied in multiple sectors of bridge construction. For instance, the Beidou navigation satellite system assists with 3D geological modeling and land surveys, achieving centimeter-level accuracy. Various intelligent equipment, such as smart steel structure manufacturers, multifunctional tower builders, and welding robots, have been developed and deployed, significantly boosting China's bridge-building capabilities. By the end of 2022, China had 1.03 million road bridges, totaling 85.76 million linear meters in length. Notably, 8,816 of these were super-large bridges, with a combined length of 16.21 million linear meters. Bridges can break geographical barriers, crossing rivers, seas, mountains, and valleys. As key transportation infrastructure, road bridges have greatly improved transportation for the Chinese people, created significant opportunities for regional economic exchanges, facilitated the flow of information and personnel, and helped increase incomes and promote economic and social development. Even before modern bridges came into the scene, simpler structures like cable bridges or suspension bridges were the norm. Builders of these older bridges could never have fathomed spans of over 2,000 meters. Take Huangfang Sun Suspension Bridge over the Yangtze River, for instance. This is one of the marvels of construction. Its main cables are made of high-strength steel, each comprising 127 steel strands, grouped into 352 bundles. The engineering feats achieved in the construction of such bridges are truly remarkable. The sheer complexity involved in balancing the forces acting on these massive structures requires meticulous planning and precision. Modern advancements in material science and engineering have significantly pushed the boundaries of what is possible in bridge construction. For example, the use of high-strength steel and advanced cable technology has enabled these bridges to withstand immense loads and environmental stresses. Additionally, the integration of aerodynamic design principles helps to mitigate the effects of wind and other dynamic forces, ensuring the stability and longevity of the bridge. Furthermore, the aesthetic appeal of these suspension bridges cannot be overlooked. They often become iconic landmarks, admired not just for their functionality, but also for their elegance and the sense of wonder they inspire. The Huangfang Sun Suspension Bridge, with its sleek lines and impressive span, stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of engineering excellence. Here's a shocking fact about this bridge. This dual cable structure supports up to 70,000 tons. That's equivalent to 1,000 fully loaded Boeing 747 aircrafts. What an amazing feat of engineering. Also, This bridge is the world's first high-speed rail suspension bridge that allows 4 high-speed trains to pass simultaneously. This is truly an amazing achievement, which shows how much importance China gives to its construction techniques and modern bridge design, with a strong focus on safety and efficiency. China is not about to look back anytime soon. If this is what China can achieve in 30 years, imagine how unstoppable it will be in the coming years. Do you think China will emerge as a leading and undisputed contender in construction works around the world in the next few years? Is there any country that can match China's efficiency? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update from us.